Most teams think microservices are just small services. The real superpower is something else entirely. Independent deployability means you can update, fix, or release one microservice without touching anything else. Imagine your user service needs a bug fix. In a monolith, you redeploy the entire application. With microservices, you push just the user service. The payment service, the order service, they keep running without interruption. This is only possible because each service lives in its own codebase with its own build and release pipeline. Teams work in isolation. The front-end team can ship the UI service on Monday, the back-end team deploys the auth service on Thursday, completely independently. The secret to making this work is clean contracts between services. Each service exposes a well-defined API, and you never break that contract. When you need to change behavior, you version your API. /v1/v2. So existing consumers keep working while new consumers adopt the latest version. The payoff? Dramatically faster release cycles. Instead of coordinating a massive deployment window, teams ship continuously. And when something goes wrong, you only roll back the one service, not the whole system. Deployment risk drops significantly. Independent deployability is the backbone of microservices. Deploy one service, leave the rest untouched, and ship faster with less risk. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.